What's going on, guys? How are you? This is Shocks, and today, guys, we want to discuss how you can be trading the London session. So first of all, you need to understand what pays to trade, what to look for, and what times the London session is in your country. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to be using my time, my clock watch, right? I'm not going to be using any broadcast time. I'm not going to be using anything like that. So from my understanding, I understand that in my time zone, which is GMT +2, the London session begins at 8-9, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just giving myself a 2-hour window from the London open to the London close. So actually it's 2:30. So I'm going to be looking for trades from 8 a.m. to 10:30. So you can change these times depending on your country and your time zone that you are trading in. So if we look at this chart that you see here, this is the British pound, Japanese yen, the 1 day, right? So we would want to go to to the M15 to the M15 time frame, and you'll be trading from that time frame. So we go to the M5. So this is the M5, right? The easiest of them all. So on currencies, right? Contrary to what you do on indices, you would want to dial down on the M15, but they are one and the same thing. So we'll just stay on the M5 time frame. So what you will be looking for is a reversal or a continuation in that 2-hour window. So let's say, for example, you are looking at this, and the time right now where I'm looking at is 10 o'clock, right? Or let me just say some minutes to 10, right? So what we are going to be doing here is we are going to be looking at what might happen in London. So this is what the Japanese yen and the GBP JPY. So this is the GBP JPY, right? So what we are doing here is we are looking at this time where price actually retests. So if you look at this, if you look down, you see it's 6:30, and my time is GMT plus is GMT +2. So we are saying it's 8:30 here. So you are going to be marking order blocks, right? You are going to be marking order blocks that fall in in that window that you are doing. Or you can do sessions you can put the sessions on your trading view, where you say show sessions on the screen, right? So yeah, just I have my period separators here on my trading view, just to show me the day beginning and the day end. And as you know, guys, this is all I need when I look at these things. So you are looking at this thing. Remember, we are looking at market structure. Nothing is changing. Like we have a break of structure at this point, right? This is our break of structure. Then we will look forward for our order blocks in this area. And as you can see, we have this order block right here. Let me just drag my orb. We have this order block right here that price retested and went down. So that's what you are looking for. Even if you go down, you will be looking at this. And if you have studied any BTMM in your life, you will know that if there is a new spin like this, we discard that, and it's not something that we are looking for. Even your ICT tells you that if we have something like this, we discard it. So we are going to mark this order block. Why? Because of this break of structure and this retest that you see here. So we have break and retest. This we are discarding this pin. Why? Because it was news manipulation, and you could have got your trade here. Remember, it's 8 to 10. So the most important thing is your order block getting retested in the time that you have mapped, right? So if you are trading the London session like what we are doing here, we are marking like this break of structure, then we mark an order block, and that order block should be retested in our time. If you see in this area, the order block was not retested during the time period that we were looking for. So we were not going to take that trade. We are just looking for trades that are going to conform to our rules, right? So if you look at this, we have we have a break of structure here, price going down, right? And we have an order block retest or a rejection block retest that you see in this area. So if you had caught that, this is what we are looking for in the London session. And you come here, what do you see here? You see that we have we have a break of structure, right? And we have we have a retest of this order block right here. So this is what you're looking for, and this is what you're doing. And if the order block is retested, you get in. So this is London session trading, guys. London session trading. And still on that note, there are pairs that you should be trading in London, and I have a few here. You should be trading GBP JPY as you are doing. We should be trading Euro JPY, should be trading GBP USD, Euro USD. So Euro USD is the best, right? It's the best pair to be trading in the London session. So let's just go and look at a few examples and a few possible trades from EU. So this is today. Let's just let me just show you what we could have done with this thing right here. We see break of structure. This is the London session. We are in the London session right now, and this is your trade. Remember, you don't need no bias, you don't need no what you need is a break of structure, a retest in the time period that you are working with, right? So you come here again. What do you see? The previous day, this happened yesterday, and what you see is the same thing, break of structure here, right? This is the last opposite candle, which is our order block, and you mark that one, you mark that order block, and what do you see? Price did not retest that OB, you missed that trade. No pressure, no pressure. You understand what we are saying? And here you come here, what do you see here? We have we have a break of structure here, break of structure, and where is your order block? Your order block is right here. So this is your OB, and this is your break of structure. This is what you are doing, and this is how you are looking at it. Break of structure, retest of your order block, and here we go. So these are the trades that you should be looking for when you are looking for your trades in the London session, right? Order block and break of structure, order block. The most important thing you should be looking at is as I said, time. You should be looking at your time. Use the time that you understand. Don't confuse. If you confuse yourself on the time element, then you have lost the whole strategy, right? So this is a London session strategy using time and order blocks. So time and price theory, guys. This is what I want you guys to be trading. So this is more of a scalping, and as you can see, I'm not looking at some other price action. Why? Because to tell me what do you mark out there? What do you trade here? Nothing. So you don't need to be trading there. You look for the best structures the price has to offer. You're going to be looking for the best structures the price has to offer, and you discard everything that confuses you or that doesn't conform to your rules. So our rules are saying time and time and order block. So this is the order block, time, and the time element. We have mastered it, and that's what we are doing, guys. This is what I had for you today. I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video. And before you click out, let me just show you another example of what we have been talking about, and just a summary of what we have been doing. You look forward for your time period, 2 hour 30 window period from the open to the end of the 2 hour 30. That's when you are looking for your order blocks. The order block should be retested in the time period that you have chosen, which is London session, right? Then you are going to be looking for break of structure and retest of your order block that you have marked out. So guys, this is what I had for you. I will see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy your evening.